Hi boys and girls, and thanks for stopping back at the channel, or if it's your first time through, thanks for stopping by. What have we got for you today? Well, this is Matt from the Real Toy Shop, and we're going to do you a walk round, no edit video of this wonderful Moto Guzzi V85 TT. Let's go and have a look. So, let's have a walk around the back first to remind ourselves. This is a 71 plate bike. What does that mean? That means it's manufactured or registered between September of 2021 and March of 2022. All the details will be in the description, either on the website or on the advert where you see it, so check out for date of first registration. So let's go back round the front and start at the beginning, and let's have a look at the condition of this bike. Now, these V85 TTs, they're an 850 Transverse twin. So what that means, air cooled, those cylinders are stuck out. Ride a bike like this on a cold day and you get that waft of air that only you get off a Guzzi. Built on the banks of Lake Como, and it shows. Italian design, Italian feel, everything about the bike just screams Italy. A good friend of mine, he's on his third one of these now. He keeps buying them, put a lot of miles on them, and he swears it's probably one of his favourite bikes he's ever had, and I can believe it, because they've just got just enough power and everything else where he tours two up, and really, really, really nice thing to ride. Not going to frighten you to death, but at the same time, plenty quick enough to get you where you want to go at a decent speed. So all of the goodness as well on these big V twin 850s is the torque. It just pulls you out of corners and everything else in such a nice way that it's more usable on the road, the torque, than the black masses of power. So nice spoke wheels there with the spokes going to the outer rim, so you can change those if you ever break one when you're out on tour. And you've got the panniers as well. Tyres looking good. What we got on there? Anarchies. And all looking good. These have all the toys and modern fitments that you'd want on a bike. Little LED indicators there. Nice comfy seat. It looks like something's been stored on that, and it's left sort of a strange mark on it. Couldn't possibly tell you what it is, but it's there. We're not going to get away from that. We've got hand guards. Keep your dandies warm, and anyone who's seen any of our videos before, of which there are hundreds, so go and have a look at them, and if you've any comments or anything like that to make, please drop them down below. Make them nice. Make them nice. Knee protectors. So yeah, to anyone who's seen before, you'll know just how much I value these hand guards, keeping the cold air off the back of your hands while you're riding. So that allows your hands to stay dry on the front, on your knuckle area. And then you've got heated grips as well. So the heated grips, keeping that blood that's close to your circulation of your surface of your hand, keeping that warm, and that in turn sends warm blood around your body, keeping you warm on a cold winter's day, which you can't underestimate just how good it is. We've got this carbon looking front mudguard there, and lower mudguard, which I don't think comes as standard on these. I could be wrong, but helping you shield your engine and everything else. Two lots of muck stopping. And then in here, we've got that Guzzi logo for a DRL that lights up there when you're riding in the day. So again, really nice thing. Now this model, it'll be in the description, but it's absolutely escaping me what the model is. It's something like, it's not an Evocation or anything like that, but it's something along them lines, and I don't know why my mind has forgot it, but it has. Well, that's the joys of no edit videos, isn't it? You're just gonna forget stuff. But it'll be in the description. Everything will be in the description. Now, then we've got this top box. Reason I've been sort of keeping away from that is, this is a, I don't know what make it is, but it's a cheaper top box. It's not a Guzzi one. Oh, no, here we go. It's a BagTech top box. So it might actually be a bit of a decent one, but somebody thought it'd be nice to colour code it to the bike. And I'm not so sure. But little bits of it flaking off and stuff. It's there, it's useful, it comes with a bike, but count it as a bonus, because we won't be doing anything with that. That comes with the bike, just as it is. So, nice TFT screen there. Cruise control as well, I forgot to mention, and the cruise control. Get there, look, zoom in. Yeah, there you go. Cruise control there as well. Then you've got rider modes and stuff like that are all nicely laid out on your bars, and you've got a nice TFT screen. Screen's adjustable, but you're doing an Allen key, you need to do that before you set off, so it's not something you can do on the fly, unfortunately, because you need your Allen key, unless you get, there is a little kit, you can get some wing nuts that go in there, and then, well, not wing nuts, they're knurled plastic nuts, but then it allows you to do that on the fly. Under here is a little power socket, so USB, so you can put your sat nav on and stuff like that. And then someone's added these little wind things. I think that must have stopped the wind coming up and getting in your face. So hopefully you can see the condition of the bike as we're walking around, and just how nice it is, really. Something a bit different. Oh, engine bars, forgot to mention those as well. You've got some engine bars. Something a bit different. There you go, that's a battery tender connection. We put that on, it's not a piece of loose wiring. So we put a battery tender on everything, because can you imagine keeping this lot, all the batteries pumped up. So, right, before we get to start it up, etc., let's have a quick roundup of what we can do for you. Here's an interesting fact as well, for any of you who don't know. The Guzzi bird, or the eagle, the bird, the flying chicken, always points forwards. So see, the head is always pointing forwards there. Wherever you see on a Guzzi, the eagle's head points forwards. You don't get one badge for what, they are literally sided, the badges. So you don't get one facing one way, one facing the other, something that drives me crazy. But on here, it doesn't. So, before we get started, you're thinking, yeah, I need this map. What can we do for you? Well, if you pop to here, that's our website. That will not focus in, will it? There you go. And on there, we have a part exchange form. Fill that in. I'll get to know anything about your boat, your yacht, your bike, whatever you're part Xing. And I shall come back to you with something, hopefully. Well, I will. And keep hold of that number as well, because if you need monthly figures, finance, etc., give us a call on that number, and one of us in the office will sort you out. Give you some numbers. If you like the numbers, we can put you through. And that brings us on to delivery. And here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered our bikes for absolutely nothing. So if you want your bike delivering, it doesn't mean you can't come here, come and see us, have a cup of tea, have a look at the bike, see if you like it, all that good stuff. And then, if you do like it, look at those backlights, we'll put you through one of our finance partners. Dead simple. And then that brings us, again, to delivery. We are fully free of charge. I got lost there, then I lost my train of thought. I was going off on part X's and deliveries and all. Anyway, but delivery, come and see us. We'll deliver this for now. Have a cup of tea, put it in the van, come on a rainy day, but it does need paying for first. God, where did I go off rambling? Anyway, that's it. Now, we can make the thing start, can't we? Make a noise. Now I've got it all wrong. So, without further ado, let's go. But before we do, whoop, yes. If you need permission to buy this bike off your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, or your missus, then ask your missus first. That's what I say. And then that way we can have a proper conversation. There you go, look. Made in Mandello dell'Ario, down in Italy, side of Lake Como. So let's put some noise on, let's see the miles. TFT screen, look at that. Good, eh? So 8,952 miles, not even running. And there she goes, she's off and away. Go through the different modes, look on there. Menus, got heated grips up there. Different buttons. Just all sorts to play with. There you go, look, custom modes. So you can change anything you like, really. Main menus, I'll go through there. I don't know. Not even sure what I'm doing here. But you've got all the options all on this little twiddler there. Your starter there. Yeah. Doesn't she sound well? Been warmed up, so we can do one of these for you. So you can see the way that picks up off the throttle is absolutely lovely. Don't really need a 1200 or whatever. You can have one, but you don't need one. So that's it. That's 11 minutes of your life you'll never get back. So quick roundup, you need this in your shed. Yep, of course you do. So what's first? Well, Part X form. Showed you where to go on the website. Fill that in. Number 2, if you need them finance figures, give us a call. One of us in the office will sort you out. And number 3, let's just get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as you can. We've got loads of other videos. Thanks for getting to the end of this one. If you made it this far, you're crazy. But we have got loads of other videos. YouTube thinks that you might like this one or this playlist, but I think hit that like button and do us a massive favour and help us grow this little channel. Takes you 2 seconds and makes all the difference to us. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.